How to lock and unlock objects in Figma to keep your designs organized. Let's get started. To lock an object, first click on the element you want to protect. This could be a text or like a shape or even a group. So next, all you have to do is right click on the selected object and choose OK. Just right click and there's an option of lock from the context menu. So all you have to do is tap into the lock option and now it will be locked. And if you want to use a shortcut, Ctrl+L on Windows and you can hit Command+L on Mac. So let's test whether it's locked or not. Yes, it is 100% locked since I've not been able to like even drag it or even like resize, so that means I'm locked. I have locked this element. But if you can see, this is not locked. As you can see, I can still make changes, but in here I cannot. So that means this is locked. So in order to unlock, you have to like select the object and right click again and go to the same section that you clicked when you were about to lock, when you locked it. But okay, so click into the lock button again. I mean, it's the same thing. Like if you want to lock, you have to press on the same option, and if you want to unlock it again, you have to go and press the same option, since there it's written lock and unlock. So press it again, and as you can see, now you can make changes. That means you have unlocked it. And yeah, that's it. That's how you lock and unlock objects in Figma. This feature is perfect for protecting elements you don't want to accidentally move. If you found this tip helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to hit that notification bell for more quick Figma tips. Thank you for watching.